Every year, on the 8th day of the 4th lunar month, South Korea bursts into a riot of color and light, celebrating the Lotus Lantern Festival. This event, also known as Yeondongho, marks the birth of Siddhartha Gautama, who would later become the Buddha. The festival is a brilliant display of cultural heritage and religious devotion, gathering people from all walks of life to share in its splendor. One of the most iconic features of the festival is the vibrant lantern parade. Thousands of lanterns, each meticulously crafted and often taking the form of lotus flowers, illuminate the night sky as they are carried through the streets. Some lanterns are simple and small, handheld by individual participants, while others are grand, elaborate structures that require a group of people to carry them. The streets of Seoul and other cities come alive with the flow of flickering lights, casting a warm, ethereal glow that feels almost otherworldly. The history of the Lotus Lantern Festival dates back over 1,000 years, with its origins rooted in Buddhist traditions. It is said that lighting a lantern symbolizes the act of bringing light to the dark corners of the world, a metaphor for spreading wisdom and compassion. The act of creating and lighting the lanterns is seen as an offering to Buddha and a gesture of hope for peace and happiness. Beyond the lantern parade, the festival includes a range of other activities. There are traditional Buddhist ceremonies, cultural performances, and exhibitions showcasing the rich tapestry of Korean heritage. Visitors can often participate in workshops where they can craft their own lanterns, learning the intricate techniques passed down through generations. The festival culminates in an awe-inspiring ceremony where thousands of lanterns are released into the sky or floated down rivers, creating a breathtaking spectacle of light and reflection. The festival is not only a religious celebration but a communal experience that fosters a sense of unity and shared purpose. People of all ages and backgrounds come together to celebrate, meditate, and reflect. The streets are filled with the sounds of traditional music, the aroma of delicious Korean street food, and the sight of smiling faces, all bathed in the gentle glow of lantern light. In recent years, the Lotus Lantern Festival has also become a significant tourist attraction, drawing visitors from around the world who want to experience its magic firsthand. Travelers often find themselves enchanted by the festival's blend of ancient tradition and contemporary festivity. It offers a unique glimpse into Korean culture and provides a moment of tranquility and reflection in an otherwise bustling world. The festival's emphasis on light as a symbol of wisdom and compassion resonates deeply in today's society, reminding us of the value of understanding and empathy. As the lanterns are lit and set afloat, each one carries a wish or a message of hope, creating a collective tapestry of aspiration and goodwill. The Lotus Lantern Festival is more than just a celebration, it is a luminous reminder of the enduring power of cultural traditions to bring people together in harmony and joy. Through the simple act of lighting a lantern, participants and observers alike find a moment of connection, a fleeting yet profound experience of shared humanity and universal grace.